Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Bravo clearance and gathering gear. This prevents delays at security gates. Once done, set your waypoint to Atomfall Sector Grid 7B and slot the override keycard in first. Move immediately to the external service hatch. This is faster than main entry and reduces patrol encounters. Make sure to power on EMP-resistant suit and secure 2 energy cells. Without them, your access tools will drain. Keep comms silent until you reach the maintenance corridor to avoid detection. You proceed through the maintenance tunnel following blue conduit markers placed every 25 meters. They lead directly to the subchamber. Once inside, you'll encounter 3-node locks. Bypass them using the override sequence 4-1-3 to avoid triggering sterilization. While you work, watch for Sentinel drones and use grappling stuns to disable sensors briefly. This conserves energy cells. If heat signatures spike, pause and let readings normalize before continuing. Rushing will trip the thermal alarm. You reach the Bravo vault and insert the keycard, then engage the 60-second chamber override. That window lets you unlock the inner door without alerting central security. Once inside, download the core snapshot to your encrypted drive and verify the hash to ensure integrity. After securing data, exit through the exhaust ducts and close the hatch to delay any pursuit. If the download stalls, kill non-essential processes and reroute power to the storage controller. This usually restores throughput without tripping emergency lockdown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.